5 eggs, 2.5 cups of flour, 2 cups of butter, 2 cups of icing sugar or any other types of sugar you guys have, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're also going to be using and also need something to put your cake in. We're just going to be using this pan.
And you can put any bowls to use with. And we're using a beater. You can use a spatula as well.
So first you're going to put in the eggs. Then we're gonna, mix.
Then we're gonna use the beater.
Gonna mix. Next, you're gonna put the butter in.
Yeah. Like how many spoons?
Oh, okay. Then you're gonna mix it with the beater. You're going to put in the flour and then icing sugar or the other sugar, and then we're going to mix it. Next, you're going to put in
You'll do it.
your baking powder. Put it all over. And then you're gonna put in 1
tablespoon of vanilla extract.
And then mix.
Hold on, you don't.
No, all that. Now we're going to use a spatula to put it inside the cake pan. Or we can just pour it in. We're going to use the spatula to make it more.
Now we're going to put it in the oven for 350 degrees. You can wait about 30 minutes or wait till it gets golden brown.
So this is how the cake will look after it's done. If you liked this video, please give a big like and subscribe. Bye!
This is good. Does it taste good? Good. Excuse me.